Welcome back, my lovely family. So, we're making akara today. I have my beans in the blender. I'm combining with some chili, some habanero, and paprika. Please, depending on your love for heat, feel free to switch up the kind of peppers you use. I'm using some onions, some seasoning, crayfish, and I'll also be adding some salt as well to taste. Please feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. This way, I'll blend everything together with some water, a little bit of water, so that when my paste is finally ready, I will not need to add any other seasoning. I just prefer doing it this way so that I know that it's like all in one. So I'm just going to be blending it together now. Depending on the kind of blender that you use, you can like divide your mixture, blend some and blend the rest later. I'm sure you understand how to do this. So akara making is not difficult at all. After blending, I've transferred it into a bowl, and this is the secret to making like fluffy akara, not the flat ones. I would advise you to use like a hand mixer to like fluff it up a bit, to incorporate some air. This hair will make it fluffy, it will make it thick. I also do not like when my akara is so flat. So I've been heating some oil already, and I'll be using like a ice cream scoop to scoop the akara gently into the oil. You want to make sure that your oil is hot enough but not too hot. If it's too hot, the akara will be cooked outside but it will not cook very well inside, and we do not want that. You don't want to bite into your akara and you're eating like raw beans. So if you can see, the oil is like cooking it gently. It's not very hot, like very hot from what you can see, and it's cooking it gently all through. This way, you also ensure that your akara does not soak up too much oil. That's another reason why you don't need to add too much water to the mix. After frying on medium to low heat for about 8 to 10 minutes, I'm turning it onto the other side so that the other side can cook as well. Also note that when you're making your akara, don't use like a little bit of oil. You have to like deep fry or medium fry the akara. This is what I mean. Pan is kind of like deep and low. If you use like a shallow pan, it won't cook through very well. And after frying for about 12 to 15 minutes in total, our akara is finally ready. See how beautiful it looks. I'm putting in my skewer, and you can see that it's coming out clean. This means that it is well cooked on the inside as well. But we can actually like cut into it as well to check out how it did. It's very hot, so I could barely hold it. But see how beautiful it looks inside. It's well cooked inside and outside as well. So this is the recipe for akara. Let me know if you like it. Kindly subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my other videos. Bye.